Introduction to Authorize Net Webhook Validation. Authorize Net provides a webhook system that sends notifications to merchants when certain events occur, such as payment processing or subscription updates. To ensure the authenticity of these notifications, Authorize Net uses a validation process that verifies the sender and integrity of the message. This guide will walk you through the steps to validate Authorize Net webhooks. Understanding the validation process. The validation process involves checking the signature of the incoming webhook notification. This signature is generated by Authorize Net using a combination of the notification payload and a signature key. The signature key is provided by Authorize Net and is unique to each merchant account. Step-by-step validation. To validate an Authorize Net webhook, follow these steps. First, extract the signature from the incoming notification. This is typically provided in the Authorize signature header. Next, extract the payload of the notification. This is the body of the HTTP request. Then, concatenate the payload and the signature key provided by Authorize Net. Generate a hash based on this concatenated string using the HMAC-SHA-512 algorithm. Compare the generated hash with the signature provided in the notification. If they match, the notification is valid. Practical example. For example, suppose you receive a webhook notification with the following payload and signature. The payload is a JSON string containing information about a payment event. The signature is a base64 encoded string provided in the Authorize signature header. To validate this notification, you would first extract the signature and payload. Then, you would concatenate the payload and your signature key and generate a hash using the HMAC-SHA-512 algorithm. Finally, you would compare the generated hash with the provided signature. If they match, you can trust that the notification came from Authorize Net and the payload has not been tampered with. Best practices. To ensure secure webhook validation, follow these best practices. Always use the provided signature key and keep it confidential. Use a secure method to store and retrieve the signature key. Always validate the signature of incoming notifications before processing them. Use a secure connection such as HTTPS to receive webhook notifications. Implement idempotence to handle duplicate notifications. Monitor your webhook notifications for any signs of tampering or spoofing. Conclusion. In conclusion, validating Authorize Net webhooks is a critical step in ensuring the security and integrity of your payment processing system. By following the steps outlined in this guide and implementing best practices, you can trust that your webhook notifications are authentic and have not been tampered with. This will help you to build a secure and reliable payment processing system that protects your customers and your business.